today we are going to Typhoon Lagoon to get wet. So I got my, sorry that you can't really see mine, but so this is my outfit, a skirt and my bathing suit. If you guys, y'all already saw that. Time ago. Hey guys, we are done with breakfast. Now we are gonna be going to the Typhoon Lagoon. So yeah, see you when we get in the car. We are at Typhoon Lagoon now.
Oh my god.
Come here. Jaden. Come on. So now we are gonna be going on a ride. We are gonna be going on a first ride. I'm gonna take you guys on our journey with us. So our first ride might be, you don't know which ride we're gonna do, but see when we get to whatever ride we're gonna go to, okay? Bye. I'm gonna take off my skirt.
Take it with this thing. I'm gonna take you on.
No, wait, I have to put my shirt in here.
0. There are no persons.
Yours, I'm gonna attach to this. I'm not used to me doing the intro. I'm just recording what the place looks like. That's the lazy river over there. Can we find a shade? It's cold. Oh, fly maybe over there. Guys, we're looking for a shade under the tree because unfortunately mom can't go in the water. So yo, you see that? Yeah. No. Stay right there, Sajid, just in case.
Guys, we are in the lazy river. Well, yeah, but it's kind of rough. So I'm gonna go inside. We have a nice shade, so I can't really record in the water. So see you when I'm probably done in the water.
Running the turn. Come on, okay. Look at the call. Yeah, look at the call for yourself.
adventure forms.
Okay.
This is your
Thank
captain, Mary. Who wants to go backwards?
Me.
No.
I'll go backwards.
Hold on to the handles at all times. When you've completed your adventure, exit immediately to your left. Thank you.
You're going.
Adventure.
Going back.
Bienvenidos a bordo del
Going back. I'm not going back no more.
Why am I going back?
You're going back, see?
de las agarraderas en todo momento.
You get to go back.
Aventura.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, this riles up your butt.
Yeah, show them. Show them. The climb that we're making.
Right up my butt. Oh, my butt.
Make sure you hold on with one hand.
Hey, sandals and socks, pops wear sandals and socks.
Wait, why am I backwards?
You said you wanted to be backwards.
No, I don't no more.
Too bad.
I want Jaden to be backwards.
You asked for this. I gotta hold on tight.
Oh, a little drop. It's not a lot.
It's the
Oh, that's a
Don't
lie.
be like that. Don't be like that.
Lie.
Don't scare me.
Right, exactly.
that's not scary. That's a cool, like,
We're coming up to the drop.
I was scared.
it is?
It's a
But like a
it's
tiny
like
one.
This. Hold on tight.
Are we coming up?
No.
No, we're going down.
Like right now, Jaden?
No.
Are we still going up?
No.
No, we're not. No, we're not. Why am I in the? Oh, Jaden's in the back now. Now I'm in the back. Hey, this is nothing. See, Nia, this is nothing.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh. Why am I backwards?
Why am I in the back?
Oh, I'm at the back again. Why am I at the back? I didn't wanna.
You alright, Mia?
Whoa. Surf's up,
Woo!
Wonderful ride.
Oh,
Oh, good job.
I will go on this again.
Are you going this again? Nice. You can stop recording now.
Yeah, I want to go again.
You want to go again?
All the rides are closed due to rain and some of the conditions. Wave pools, all the rides have been closed. So we'll be just chilling for now. What are we going in? Rainy sky.
Oh my god, there's so much lizards!
There's so many. There are so many lizards out here.
It's fine. I mean, we're still getting wet.
Tropical amity.
A lizard!
I got finish on them. Alright, you got carry it. We are going to Crush and Gushers. I've been on this ride already. It's not as bad, but it is very fast. That's what I love about it.
I want Malik to go at the back again. I want Malik to go at the back again.
Come on, we're going to
Why we gotta go?
Banana Blaster.
Alright, Dad, come on. We're gonna do banana. All of us are gonna do banana blaster. Malik.
Wait, we're all going the same path?
Yes. Go, go, go.